part features. Okay, first you can see the features in feature tool. We have the extrude boss, revolve boss, swept boss, lofted boss, boundary boss, and etc etc are the tools are there or commands are there for by in this complete course we are going to evaluate each and every part and describe each and every feature of the each tools respectively. Okay, so let's start our first tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn about the boss extrude and its advanced feature, advanced tool, advanced concept in extrude boss. So for use the called extrude, that is extrude boss command, first of all we have to make any sketch. Okay, so let's start by clicking control, by pressing control key, select the all plane, that is front plane, top plane and right plane, and right click of mouse and select the show icon. Here you can see the eye icon is there, which is denoted the show. Okay, now I think you know very well about this. If you are new in SolidWorks, so this is very important to make shown all the planes. So select the front plane and click on sketch, and you can make any sketch. In this tutorial I am selecting the corner rectangle. In rectangle there are the total 5 types of the rectangle. First of all, corner rectangles, 3-point rectangle, center rectangle, 3-point center rectangle, and parallelogram, etc. Okay, so first select the corner rectangle. Okay, by clicking on center rectangle, you can see here multiple options are there. We can change it anytime. So let's start the first, that is corner rectangle. Take any point. I'm taking the centroid of the whole part, that is this, and dragging it like this. Okay, so give the dimension to it by right click of mouse, by right click and drag it. You will get the 4 option, that is first one is smart dimension, second is line and rectangle, and the circle. Okay, it's very helpful in designing in very complex part. So I'm taking the smart dimension, select the line and give dimension. I'm giving approximate dimension of 100 mm, so give the dimension of 100 mm. So and the length is of 200 mm. Let's see. Now your sketch should be completely fully defined in any type of sketch. Okay, that is all line should be in black in color. Now click on OK and go to the feature tool, and you will see here is a extrude boss which we are covering in this tutorial or in this video. So generally select the extrude boss tool. Okay, now our SolidWorks automatically go in the perspective view. You can see here. So you can see you can drag it like this and give the dimension is here. It is very important and very dramatical feature of the SolidWorks 2020 that you can drag it in anywhere. There are 2 directions. Okay, so here what I want in this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about the types, that is blind, up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, up to body, and mid plane. First of all, what is a blind? Blind is in any direction that is selected. So we can give any dimension, that is I am taking the 40 or 50, 60. As you can see the changes in the our final part, that is 3D part. By clicking here, you can increase or decrease the dimension or length of the extrude boss. So I am taking about 200 mm, enter click. So this one is the first extrude boss tutorial in this complete course. In complete course we will define and we will explain each and every part of the tools which are here. So you can see here we have completed the extrude boss tutorial, extrude boss, one feature of the extrude boss tools. So let's see what happened after using the extrude boss. It's very simple and easy tutorial. If you are new to the SolidWorks, it is not necessary to take any previous knowledge of any software. It is very easy to operate and handle the SolidWorks, any part modification and assembly. You can we will discuss about more in future tutorials or videos. So be connected and enjoy the SolidWorks software. So thank you